symbols.
National symbol, national flower lotus, national bird peacock, national fruit mango, national animal tiger, national game orchid, national emblem lion capital, national tree pendant, national flag tiranga, national currency rupees, national sea animal dolphin, national anthem Jana Gana Mana, national song Vande Mataram.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamira, Bharati, Vaiga, Jamuna.
Vedas.
Veda, 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 Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharva Veda.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujarilal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, E.V. Narasimha, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Inna Kumar Gujral, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Dashavatar of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu, Mastha, Purna, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalaki.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Maldives.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India, rights to equality, rights to freedom, right against exploitation, rights to freedom of religion, cultural right, educational right, rights to constitutional remedies.
Official languages.
Official languages, Assamese, Bengali, Pado, Goge, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Oceans.
Ocean, there are five oceans: Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean.
Solar system.
Solar system, in solar system, there are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The biggest planet is Jupiter, beautiful planet. We think it's Saturn, red planet is Mars.
Religions of India and religious books.
Religions of India and religion book, Hinduism, Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Puran, Christianity, Bible, Sikhism, Guru Arjan Sahib, Buddhism, Niranjan, Jainism, Jainagamam, Asti Pavasta.
Museums.
Museum, Dandiya Museum, Kolkata, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Vastu Ganga Alaya, Mumbai, National Museum, Delhi, Govardhan Museum, Hyderabad, Visvesvaraya Industrial and Technological Museum, Bangalore.
Indian cities and their nicknames.
Indian cities and their nicknames: City of Joy, Kolkata, Black City, Kolkata City of Building, Blue City, Jodhpur, Pink City, Jaipur, Diamond City, Udaipur, Lemon City, Surat.
Districts Districts of Karnataka.
This is the Karnataka. Bagalkote, Ballari, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Bidar, Bijapur, Sagarnagar, Chikkabalapura, Chikmagaluru, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Davangere, Kalburgi, Hassan, Kaveri, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppal, Punjab, Mysuru, Raichuru, Ramagara, Shimoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttar Kannada, Vijayanagar, Yadagiri.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka, K. Changarai Reddy, K. Hanumanthayya, Radipa Manjappa, S. Nijayappa, E. Rajaras, E. Rajaras, R. Gundura, Ramakrishna Hegare, S. R. Bomba, Virendra Patil, S. Bangarappa, M. Veerappa Moili, S. C. Devegowda, J. H. Patil, S. M. Krishna, Jayanti, H. C. Kumaraswamy, Priya Yedurappa, Basuraj Banga, Siddaramaiah.
Rainbow colors.
Rainbow colors, there are 7 colors, Tripura, violet, indigo, blue, red, yellow, orange, black.
Traffic signals.
Traffic signal, red indicates stop, yellow indicates be alert, green indicates go.
Union Territories of India.
Union Territories of India, Andaman and Nicobar, Island, Chandigarh, Ridwan, Diu, Daman, Lakshadweep, Puducherry, Jammu and Kashmir, and Delhi.
Top Kings of Karnataka.
Top Kings of Karnataka, Pulakeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mayuravarma, Amoghavasha, Madapali Nayaka, Kitturani Channamma, Akka Bukka, Jayachandra, Kempegowda.
Parts of speech.
Parts of speech, there are 8 parts of speech. Na, prana, va, adva, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Tenses.
Then the simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, future perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense.
Meaning of Google.
Meaning of Google, a number equal to 10 to the 100 power.
Parts of computer.
Parts of computer, central processing unit, CPU, motherboard, RAM, mass memory, RAM, video, graphic card, hardware, monitor, keypad, keyboard, mouse.
Opposite words.
Opposite one, big, small, open, close, white, black, hot, cold, wet, dry, full, empty, stop, go, day, night, happy, sad, good, bad, anger, fasting, up, down.
Days of the week.
Days of the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Months of the year.
Months of the year, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Continents.
Continent, there are